Alright guys, so we're back. I went to go get the other rear strut bar thing. Alright, cool. So, there it is. Right there. Megan Racing. Shout out to UTH Performance for hooking this up as always. So we're gonna throw this one in next, but I'm hungry as fuck, so I'm gonna go eat, and then I'm gonna clear out my trunk, and then I'm gonna show you guys how to install it, and then I will drive it. I'll probably, maybe to review it, I'll leave it in for a week, and I'll probably take it up there to the Los Angeles Forest Canyon, see how it handles. Like I said, I just want to see what it'll do for the car before lowering it, because I already know that lowering the suspension makes it feel different, like the handles completely. So we're gonna do that first, and then after this one and the front one, we're gonna put the ones underneath, and then from there we'll see how it handles at the track. And like I said, this is gonna be our drift car. After that, LSD the whole 9, front end swap, carbon fiber, we're doing it all. So stay tuned, be right back. All right guys, so I'm done eating. I've unwrapped the race spec strut tower bar, rear upper, and I'm going to show you guys how to install it. So there it is, right there, and it's supposed to go across the way like this, right? Anyway, so here we go. You're just going to reach back here and pull, and this panel should come down, and that's exactly what it's going to sit on top of. Let's get the other side. There it is. Now that it's exposed. Alright, so what you're going to do is it sits on top of these strut towers that aren't connected by anything, and basically it'll look like that. And that's the install video, guys. Just kidding. So stupid. That's the install video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. No. Well, first things first, obviously I can't reclose this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut into this so that way I can, I can leave these inside because I don't like the exposed body. So yeah, let me cut this fabric first, and then I will go ahead and install this strut tower bar race. Gee, it even got the plastic on it too. I didn't even peel it off yet. I probably won't peel it off, I don't care. So yeah, alright guys, well, I'm gonna do that first. I'm gonna get to cutting, mark it up, make some holes, and then I'm gonna install it. So alright, see you guys after it's installed. Before that, just kidding, let me see what size the bolts are. Hold on. Let me get my tool set. Gee, look at that fat ass lid. Look at that. Gee, crazy, huh? Heritage wheels. You guys do some amazing work. Let's see. What did I say it was? 14? I think I said it was 14 for the other one. Let's see. Okay. 14. Nice. Okay. So the rears are 14, guys. Cool. And I'll show you guys once it's done and it's all back together. Alright, see you guys in a sec. Alright guys, so we made progress. All I did was take an X-Acto blade, something like this, and I was able to make a small incision. Here's a better one, like this. I made an incision in the fabric, and I basically cut it in an L. That way I could tuck it in afterwards. So I didn't really cut out a piece, I just opened the piece, and then with the extra flaps I went ahead and folded it in. But as you can see, it sits better, and now we won't have the exposed, like the panels. So essentially, if you were to have this car, right, what would you choose? Would you choose to have it, hold on, 2 seconds. Obviously, for those enthusiasts who go, yeah, I could save on weight by taking out the, what's it called in the back, the insulation or whatever. We're not there yet. We're not that aggressive in in the weight reduction. So would you rather have it like that, right, exposed on both sides, or would you rather have it like that? I think that way it looks more cleaner. So we're gonna finish it up, button it up, make these holes, and yeah, we'll be done. So what I did first was I removed, basically I pulled this back, I separated these two parts, put this on first, right here, bolted down, pushed up against it, felt where the teeth would be sticking out, and then that's where I made the cut, and that's it. And so yeah, I'm gonna tighten that one down, do this one, tighten both down, and that'll be done. All right, see you guys when it's done. All right guys, so we just got done finished installing the rear strut tire brace, the upper whatever. Anyways, so pretty simple, straightforward, just pull back, right? And then when you guys want to make the incision, just make an incision of a plus all the way down, and it'll just push through afterwards. But make sure everything is tightened down. It's a 14, and I think it's a 3/8, so make sure that there's no play. So I'm gonna keep it on for a week, see how it feels, front and back. It's supposed to make the car feel more sturdy, rigid, to reduce body roll around corners. And so, like I said, I might take it up to the mountains. Again, shout out to UTH Performance for hooking it up and taking care of me. Feel free to check them out on Instagram and Google as well, guys. And at 300 mark for our subscriber count, we might be doing a small giveaway with some merch, some tags, and NRG quick release. So sub up, and yeah, we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.